Hello viewers and welcome to my channel, Review Information. In this video I will show you how to change the app language on Roposo.
Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified any updates.
Roposo is an Indian short video sharing social networking platform that offers its users to use the app, as well as upload and view content in several languages. Watch this full video to learn how to change the app language on Roposo. To begin, open the Roposo app from your apps drawer. On the homepage stream, tap on your profile picture at the top left corner. On your profile page, tap on the settings gear icon at the top right corner. From the options that appear on the side panel to the right, tap on Change Language. You will see a list of languages available for the app. Select your desired language. From the confirmation window, tap on OK. That's it. The app language has been changed successfully. Try to change the language again. So in this way, you can change the language on Roposo app. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Goodbye.